साथ है प्रविंदर नागरा। हेलो प्रविंदर, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, I'm doing great. Thank you. To all our viewers, happy Mother's Day, first of all.
आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि लास्ट वीक में मार्केट में क्या हुआ, टू मेजर कनेडियन कंपनीज जिनका रिजल्ट लास्ट वीक आया है, एंड टू स्टॉक पिक्स फ्रॉम यूएस मार्केट्स। प्रविंदर, तुमने अपना घर जब लिया था, तुमने अपना फर्नीचर कहाँ से खरीदा था?
फर्नीचर ऑफ कोर्स जो हमारे लोकल स्टोर होते हैं वहीं से लेते हैं, राइट? लियोन्स, नॉट फ्रॉम लियोन्स फॉर श्योर।
ओके।
लाइक जस्ट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ब्रिक से लिया। लाइक
ओके।
लियोन्स से तो कभी लिया नहीं है। लाइक इट्स जस्ट ऑनेस्ट अपडेट।
ओके।
लाइक नेवर बॉट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम लियोन।
No, thanks for the honesty, and you will be amazed to know, including all the viewers, that Brick is also owned by Leon's.
I
So
didn't
around
know that.
so around 2014, 2013, 2014 में लियोन्स फर्नीचर ने एक एक्विजिशन किया था जिसमें उन्होंने द ब्रिक को भी खरीद लिया था। सो लियोन
Wow.
या सो लियोन्स ओन्स द ब्रिक एंड इट इज द वन ऑफ द मेजर फर्नीचर जायंट इन कनाडा। अगर आप जानते हैं नहीं जानते हैं, somehow you are buying stuff from Leon's, and that's the beauty of the business. It has around 300 stores across Canada. So the results were not very good. The system-wide sales, they dropped down by 3.5%. Furniture is not selling. Housing market is also not doing. What do you think about the housing market, Parvinder? Do you think housing market is in slowdown, or do you think it's picking up?
In my opinion, as you can check, all the real estate website and stuff,
Hmm.
so सरी में बीसी में थोड़ा प्राइस कम आ रहा है।
Okay.
एंड जो रेट्स हैं, लाइक मॉर्गेज रेट्स, लाइक unpredictable. Buyer is not sure and seller don't want to sell, so it just mixture of everything.
That's a good insight, Parvinder. And clearly, Leon's furniture के रिजल्ट से भी यही शो हो रहा है कि हाउसिंग मार्केट इज इन स्लम, हाउसिंग मार्केट इज नॉट पिकिंग अप as much as it should, and that's why the furniture is not selling, and the results are down by 3.5% store-wide sales. The revenue also went down, and year-on-year sales are also down.
Yeah, so this is like 1.72 billion-dollar company, right? From 2023 to now, it's 45% return,
Okay.
which like in my opinion, like, yeah, for the people who likes dividends, ये dividend कितना provide करते हैं?
इसका
Yeah,
करंट डिविडेंड है around 4%, and the company does a lot of buybacks. So Leon
okay,
family owns 70% of this stock. They are the major shareholder. So this
yep.
is definitely a value stock, not a momentum stock. But technically, what do you think? Is how high can this go? Do you think this will go higher, or it will go back down to 20 or 16 range?
तो ये this is still in uptrend, right?
Long term, I think जो chart आप share कर रहे हो, it's since 1997. The stock is in the long term bull run.
Yes, like slowly it just improving, and I think above 26, uh, इसने कुछ किया नहीं है from 2021, right? From
Okay.
2021, it has been 5 years. तो ये अगर ये यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट करेगा तो आई थिंक we're looking around somewhere $35.
Awesome. No, thank you so much for the information. So let's move forward to the next company. But before that, if you want to know more about Leon's Furniture, I can make a special video for you guys where we will discuss everything about the company. And there is a hidden value in this company which the market is not recognizing this. So we'll also discuss about the hidden value of Leon's Furniture in our next video. So stay tuned. Company is Loblaws. It's a household name. Loblaws के भी results आए हैं last week. The company posted a 4.2% revenue growth, which is a lot in this environment, and adjusted earning per share is up by 10.6%. So जिस टाइम पे रियल एस्टेट ठीक नहीं कर रही है, businesses are doing very bad, people are losing their jobs, Loblaws is posting 10% earning per share growth. So that's a very good sign. And they have also, Loblaws have also increased their dividend by 10 cents, by 15 cents. That's a 10% increase. And it's the 15th consecutive dividend increase. So 15 साल से Loblaws अपना dividend increase कर रही है। मैं तो अपनी ग्रोसरी सुपर स्टोर से करता हूँ। व्हाट अबाउट यू परविंदर, तुम अपनी ग्रोसरीज कहाँ से करते
तो
हो?
अगर आप शॉपर से करते हो, लाइक नो फ्रिल्स से करते हो, टीएनटी से करते हो, ऑल ओन्ड बाय लॉबलॉस।
ओह, सारी ब्रांड लॉबलॉस ओन करती है।
Yeah.
Awesome. Pravinder, can you quickly open the chart of this stock and analyze it and see what the charts are saying?
Yeah, so Loblaw is on a beautiful run, like
Oh, wow.
when you remember, like we had a COVID, people were sitting at home, उन्होंने खाना तो है ही है, right? तो
Mm-hmm.
this is 2020, तो देखा जाए यहाँ पे कोई करेक्शन नहीं हुई है, at least it was booming at that time, right? So अगर आप देखा जाए
So 2020
तो
was the low, and उसके बाद stock सिर्फ सीधा shoot up कर गया in the sky.
yeah, just like in 3 years is from 2023, the return is like 137 percent. Now it's a little
Wow.
bit down, but yeah, like
Can you do a
very.
short term? Can you do a short term analysis? Do you think this is a momentum stock, or do you think this is a value stock? Yes. Can we do trading in the stock, or do you think इस stock में trading करना advisable नहीं है? इसको सिर्फ long term के लिए रखना चाहिए.
I won't advise like trading this one. This is a beautiful company. You just buy and hold, and this company keeps on growing, right?
So the next company we're going to discuss about is Micron. Uh, this last year, I was looking at this company. I was looking at Micron very dearly. The stock was at that time around $100, but मैंने नहीं खरीदा. But I had a really good idea कि ये company move करेगी. But I don't have this stock in my portfolio.
Wow.
What about you, Parvinder? तुम्हारे पास ये stock है कि like what about you? Do you hold this stock in your portfolio?
Yes, yes, I have this stock. Like if you check my Instagram or YouTube shorts,
Mm-hmm.
I have this stock MU on my radar from April 13. I'm putting videos, from April uh 13, right? So
Okay.
at that time, market was a little bit of correction, but we were like, I was like, we are into these stocks.
Okay, well, if you don't mind me asking, Parvinder, what is your buying price for this Micron?
Buying price is somewhere around 420.
Hyperscalers, AI, and data centers, they all need memory, and Micron is positioned in a very good way to take advantage of all this high demand. Okay, so going to Parvinder, let's do a stock analysis of this company. Show us what the chart is telling about Micron.
So I just want to add, like, from MU repurchased their 300 million worth of shares in the quarter, right? And paid like 131 million in just dividends. So हम यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं कि like company is really confident, management is really confident, so that's why they are buying the stock price, right? And if they are buying it now, repurchasing it now, so this can just keep on going. Other than that, for like past 12 months, you won't believe it, it's a 710% increase in this stock.
And the current price is 746, right?
Yeah, 746, अगर आफ्टर आवर्स में थोड़ा 757 पे चला गया था, तो बट नाउ इट्स रियली एक्सटेंडेड। अगर आप देख पाए ये जो मेरे ब्लू डॉट्स हैं,
Mm-hmm.
सो जब ये आए थे, लाइक इट्स ऑलरेडी quite extended, so pullback is due, right? So you can see same kind of stuff here, blue dots, right? So it was extended or
Pull back, right. मैं देख रहा हूँ ये.
pullback is due. This is like purple line, अगर देख पा रहे हो, ये है 65 SMA, right? तो
Mhm.
यहाँ से हम देखें तो it's 66% extended. So it can just keep going up again. We don't know what it's gonna do, but अभी थोड़ा late है. Like we cannot buy here because risk. You cannot manage risk here, right? So somewhere if it comes closer to 600, 605, थोड़ा consolidate करे, then we can get a re-entry again.
Okay. So let me ask you a question. Are you holding your positions, or are you getting are you gonna get out of the position you have for Micron?
So मेरा इसमें है कि like if I'm up 30 or 40%,
Mm-hmm.
then I just sell some into strength, right? No point
Okay.
of holding all the way up, because you never know. Because abhi, this is like today is Sunday, so Friday it did this.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe on Monday it's gonna gap down, like it's gonna be 600. So आपके पास choice है, like you wanna sell in strength or you wanna sell in weakness.
Okay.
But I do a mixture of both. I sell some into strength. I'm holding a little bit MU stock already, और मैंने थोड़ा strength में sell कर दिया है,
Okay.
because these stocks. can grow exponentially, right? HBM, which is a high bandwidth memory, is will grow like 40% for next 3 years.
The next stock which we have is Duolingo. So this is a stock which Parvinder is following from last 5 years. I have used मैंने खुद Duolingo की ऐप यूज करी है. I used it to learn Spanish and मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ कि it's a really good app and ये बेसिक से सिखाती है अगर आपको नई लैंग्वेज सीखनी हो. The company posted results last week and the result is up by almost 300 million. बट रिजल्ट ऊपर जाने के बाद भी स्टॉक गिर रहा है. स्टॉक इज डाउन बाय 6 to 14%. So, can you tell us, Parvinder, what's going on with the stock and can we expect a bounce back?
Yeah, so the Duolingo mission is I like the mission of Duolingo, which is to develop the best education in the world.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So like internet आ रहा है सभी कुछ आ रहा है like uh, and people want to learn more people want to learn English and everything, right? So and
Mm-hmm.
I just love this app, I gave it to my dad. I asked him to download this app and start learning French or Spanish, and it's a beautiful app. I actually love it. Stock dekha jaye, like it's really down, like 80% down from 540 to 107 now.
Oh, dropped so much. Okay.
Yeah, so looks like Wall Street is sleeping on this. Competitors like Google Translate
Mm-hmm.
and other companies like OpenAI, they wanna get these same kind of software, right?
Mm-hmm.
तो इसलिए like this is kind of unpredictable, but it's 80% down, so it's consolidating at 107. Can get better, if it just start going above 125. If it stays above 125, I will look for longer term buying. हम अपने viewers को ऐसा नहीं चाहते कि like they look for these stocks and then just Monday comes and they just start buying it. No, you have to get your own discretion. आपको research करना पड़ेगा और अपना risk देखना पड़ेगा. Then you can buy it, right?
और if I'm not
Like
wrong, मैं नीचे वॉल्यूम्स में देख रहा हूँ, उसके वॉल्यूम्स ही मुझे लग रहा है इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. Am I right?
हाँ, वॉल्यूम्स इंक्रीज हो रहा है बट ये सेलिंग वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो रहा है.
Okay.
The pink ones are selling volume, blue ones are
Buying volume.
buying volume.
Okay.
तो uh,
सो वी डोंट नो
vol
कि अभी स्टॉक नीचे क्रैश करेगा कि ऊपर जाएगा, बट अगर स्टॉक ने अपवर्ड ट्रेंड दिखाया अबव 125 126, सो वी शुड.
yeah,
कैनेडियन लेबर मार्केट के नंबर आ गए हैं एंड दिस डेटा इज फ्रॉम अप्रैल 2026. वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि हाउ द रियल एस्टेट मार्केट एंड हाउ द फर्नीचर मार्केट इज नॉट डूइंग रियली गुड and is how it's in down trend, and the same thing is being reflected by the job numbers. In April 2026, Canada lost 18,000 jobs. And the breakdown, Canada lost 47,000 full-time jobs. There was a addition of 29,000 part-time jobs. And in total, the total job loss is 18,000. But you can see कि कितनी ज़्यादा full-time jobs lose हो रही हैं. As a result, real estate market is not showing strength, and at the same time, furniture market, which is closely linked to the real estate market, and real estate market, which is closely linked to the job numbers, is reflecting the same thing. And I hope next week there's some positive news from jobs numbers, and I hope there's some positive announcement from the government of Canada. Till then, I think we should conclude this video. And do you have anything to add, Parvinder, at the end?
just in the end, again, happy Mother's Day. Give your flowers to the mothers. This is really a good time to invest. Or if you cannot invest in stocks, start investing in ETF, but start working on investing.
If you want to know more about ETFs, we'll do a session on ETFs, and we'll discuss which are the best ETFs to buy in Canada and how you can save money on the management fees by switching from mutual funds to ETFs. And that this was a great session, Parvinder, and thank you so much for your input. And we will see you next time. And till then, take care and happy Mother's Day.